Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. This is co-op Dragon type training event. This started today and ends February 20. And this is super hard. Overcome the Surging Sea Dragon. Quick connect. And without further ado, let's do it. Overcome the Surging Sea Dragon. Guys, it should be known by now, but Lance's outfit and Raihan, we call it Raihan, but I heard some YouTubers call it Rahan. I'm not sure which is correct. But for us, Rahan sounds weird. It's Raihan, right? How do you guys pronounce that? Their outfits are very, very similar. What? My Hyper Beam failed. How dare you? Hyper Beam has a 90% accuracy and you failed me. Guys, Gigantamax Toxtricity is coming out soon. And I was planning to cosplay, Toxtricity. What the frick? And I was telling my cosplay group that my cosplay is not exactly ready. My hair is still short. I want to grow my hair into a mohawk, a longer mohawk. So I'll wait till my hair grows long enough before I actually cosplay Toxtricity. Why did I use X special defense? Oh. Sail. Yeah, we changed it to Dragon Breath. So weak though. Oh no. Good. We're not worried about dying, guys. We just want to finish this stage as fast as possible. Problem is Iris is pretty weak. But I think my teammates will take care of it. And I think we are done. We are done. That was super hard, guys. Master the Surging Sea Dragon, if I'm not mistaken.
I gave my all for that battle.
I gave my all for that battle. And hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And time to spam. Time to repeat the stage over and over again in order to, get enough items for exchange items and enough, missions to finish all these missions as we have here. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.